Hi, I'm Roy Yaley. I'm the president of Bill Smith Plumbing and Heating, and today I'm going to talk about the benefits of getting the ductwork cleaned in your house. As your system runs 365 days a year, in most cases between heating and air conditioning, it does collect dust and pet hair. Dust might start to live in there, and it also acts as a breeding ground for bacteria, which can cause what we call sick house syndrome, where everyone's got a cold all the time, or it can adversely affect someone with asthma and give them greater problems.